Okay, hello. I'm at the hotel and we are gonna unbox this today. First, we just
You have to read what's the toy first.
Oh, it's a Brontosaurus.
Okay, and then what it says here.
Build me up.
Okay, how old are you?
4.
And you can read already?
Maybe. Not that much.
Alright.
Today we are gonna unbox this. Also, I think we need some help here.
You need help?
Yeah. Hey, can I have help?
Okay, let me help you. Okay, you have to pull up the tape first. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
That's fun.
Alright, and then?
And then try to open it. No.
Don't break it.
Fine.
Just do this.
Wow. Wow, we had these 2 pots.
Okay.
That we might need. What's the lot? Wow! That's a lot! Oh my god, this stickers. I'm gonna. Wow, it's like a. Well, I'm gonna make not what it's supposed to be.
Should we continue the video?
Yeah. I'm gonna make my favorite dinosaur, the Ankylosaurus. Okay, we first got to make the body of the Ankylosaurus. Now called it Brontosaurus.
What is it called?
Brontosaurus. Wait, there's still a piece.
Did you just made it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, I think we forgot about this part. Let's just move this. Let's just another one here. Okay, so we can, have longer. Yeah, this is. Okay. I understand it's not a Brontosaurus. It's supposed to be, but what's this name again?
Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus.
And you made it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, I'm gonna add a weird thing here. It's gonna be a horn. I'm gonna add a horn to the Brontosaurus.
Okay, now let me show it to me.
Look!
Now I want to see the face. Okay.
Brontosaurus.
And the feet also. You see the feet. Show the feet to your audience.
Oh.
Make it face the video. Okay. There's 2 feet and the face. Okay.
And also, I added this wing.
Okay, so wings.
So it has wings, so it can fly. So it's not going to be attacked by any bad guy.
Is it done now?
Wait, there's still something missing. Now I'm gonna add two red towers for the front. This is how it works. This is how it moves. Hiya!
It's done?
And then this is how his back attack.
It's done? Alright.
Yeah, it's done.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.